In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Redbubble UK. Starting a new venture is always exciting, especially when it involves showcasing your creative work. Redbubble is a fantastic platform for independent artists to sell their designs on a wide array of products to a global audience. If you're based in the UK and looking to get started on Redbubble, you're in the right place. Let me guide you through the process from creating your account to getting your products ready for the UK market. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Redbubble website. Once you're there, you'll see a stunning assortment of products designed by artists from all over the world. This is where your creations will appear once you've completed the setup process. To begin, click on the Login button. You'll find it at the top of the page, inviting you to either sign into your existing account or to start a new adventure with Redbubble. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Next up, it's time to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly, as Redbubble will communicate important information about your account and sales through this channel. Following your email, you'll need to type in your password. Choose a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. If you're like me and have a hard time remembering all your passwords, consider using a password manager. Once your email and password are entered, click on Login. You're now officially inside your Redbubble dashboard, the command center for your new online art business. After logging in, you might want to explore. However, to get down to the business of selling, click on your profile at the top right corner of the page. This way you can access your account settings, a critical step in tailoring your Redbubble experience to the UK market. Within your profile menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a page full of options and settings to customize your selling experience. Because Redbubble is an international platform, they have a handy feature that allows you to sell your products in different currencies and languages. Scroll down until you find the world icon, which is next to the current currency and language settings. By default, it might be set to USD. Click on this icon to adjust your default currency and display language. Now look for the shipping country option and click on it. A list of countries will appear, demonstrating Redbubble's global reach. From this list, select United Kingdom. This step is crucial because it tailors the product prices and shipping options to your local market, making your products more appealing to UK buyers. After selecting the United Kingdom, make sure to save your changes by clicking Update. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are applied to your account. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up your Redbubble account for the UK market. From here, you can start uploading your artwork, create product listings, and tailor your designs for a variety of products. One final tip before we wrap up, take some time to explore the Redbubble community and learn from other artists. There's a wealth of inspiration and advice available that can help you grow your presence on the platform. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has made the process of selling on Redbubble in the UK a little bit clearer and a lot more exciting. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you found this video helpful. Here's to your success on Redbubble.